sets. Question number 5. A is the subset of B, B is the subset of C. Then we do that A is the subset of C. So now let us suppose X belong to A. Any element of X belong to A, it is given. Now X is also belong to B because we have given that A is the subset of B. All element of A belong to B, then it is the subset of A. So now X belong to A or X belong to B, it is the given condition. And now it is also given that B is the subset of C. Now the element of B, here the element of B is X, is also belong to C. So now X belong to C. It means from these two equations, first, second, and third, we have find that X is the element of common in all set A, B, C. So then it is say that X belong to A, B, and C. So now A is the subset of C. Now A belong to C. All element of A belong to C. So here the element of X belong to A, B, and C. Then A is the subset of C. This is your question number 5. 3, 4, 5. It is two set givens. Now we have to prove that in first part A difference B is the union of set B is equal to A union B. Now we take left hand side in this sets. Left hand side say that first of them we find A difference B. Here the A difference B of those sets which are in A, not in a B. Now we look here in set A, B. 1, 2, 3 is the element of A, 3, 4, 5 is the B. Here this is the common element, and after this we have left two elements 1 and 2 which are in A, not in a B. So then this is the difference of A set A, B, 1 and 2. Now he say that A difference B union with B. Now A difference B element is 1, 2 union with set B. B is the set of 3, 4, 5. Now we take the union of these two sets. We take all element of set this and set B. So now the element of set this is 1, 2, and this set is 3, 4, 5. Now this is the set of element A difference B with union B. Now he say that we have taken common element of both set, but here is no common element, then write all set. Now we take this left hand side, now we take right hand side. In right hand side say that A union B. We have find A union B. Here the set of A is 1, 3 is common element of both, then we write one time, and the element of this is 4, 5. Now this is the union of these two sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here the left hand side is also say that the element of set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is also say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hence LHS is equal to find A difference B. Here the A difference B. We have find the A difference B in this first part. The element of A difference B is 1 and 2. And intersection with set B. Here the set B is 3, 4, 5. In intersection of two sets, we take those elements which are common in a set A and a B. So now here we look this is set first, this is set second. The common of element both set have no common element, then we write is 5. Now 5 the null set which contain no element, then we take given result is equal to 5. So then this is equal to RHS, and this result also equal to left equal to right. Here the A difference B of those set which contain A not the element of B. We have already find this set is 1, 2. So A difference set 1, 2 intersection with A. A difference B intersection with A. So now 1, 2 it is the set of element A difference B intersection with A. Set of A is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now intersection of these two sets is, we take those elements which are common in this set and this. Now we look here, two element 1 and 2. Here two element 1, 2. Both are common in this set. Then this is the set of 1 and 2. Now in right hand side of this set, we have find A intersection with B dash. First of them we find the B dash. B dash is the complement of set of this. Now B set. Here we take U is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we find B dash. Now we take, here in this example, we take 3, 4, 5 element are in a B. So then we left these element 3, 4, 5 and others element of U becomes B dash. Others element is 1, 2 and 6. This is your B dash. Now we take in left right hand side A intersection with B dash. So B dash element is 1, 2, 6. A intersection B dash. Element of A is 1, 2, 3. Intersection 1, 2, 6. Now intersection of these set, we take the common element in set A and B dash. Here we look 1, 2 and 1, 2 are contained both set. Then these are your common element. In left hand side this set becomes 1, 2 and right side this becomes 1, 2. So hence if this result equal to LHS is equal to of B contain set A. It means these element 3, 4, 5 also in set of A. Then B is the subset of A. Now we have find that A difference B union B is equal to A. Now first of them we take left hand side, taking left hand side. In left hand side we find A difference B. Here the A difference B. A difference B means set of those elements which are in A not in a B. Here the element of 3, 4, 5. These element in a B. So then these two element 1 and 2 not in a B. So then A difference B is 1, 2. Now A difference B union with a B. Now A difference B is 1, 2. Union with B element is 3, 4, 5. Now union of two sets say that all element of a set A and a B also the common element in one side. Now this is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we look here. This is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the set of A. So now we write this set is A. In this we have proved this result equal to A. Then this is your right hand side. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. This is your questions number 6. In questions number 7, we have discussed that for any two set A and B, power of set A union power of set B is the subset of A. All subset of these is first is 5. After this we write 1, 2 different alag. Then itself 1, 2. These are 4 element of the subset of A. Now we write this power of set A. Now we write in the set of this 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. These in a set, then this becomes a power of set A. Now we take these another set. Let us suppose this is the element of 3, 4. Now this is the set of element. Now we write first of the subset of a B. Now subset of B is subset of B. Write the all subset of B is first of them is 5. After this we write this element is 1 type, 3 and 4. And after this is the itself also a subset of this set. Now this is the subset of this set. Now we have find the number of subset of number of 2 की power number of element is the total number of subset. Now here the 2 number of element is 2 की power 2 it means 4. Now the 4 these are 4 subset of this set. This is also this rule. Now power set of B. Power set of B we write is 5, 3, 4 is the element of this. Power of set of other element is 1, 2. After this 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is the set of element with power of set A union with A. The element of A is 1, 2 union with B. B means 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is the union of two set. Now we write the subset of these element. Now sub whole power number of 4 element it means 16. Now we write this 16 subset of these. Write few subset we have done this. First of them 5. After this 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this we take the pair of 1, 2, pair of 1, 3, pair of 1, 4. And after this 2, 3, 2, 4. And after this 3, 4. And now the pair of 3. It means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4. Now 2, 3, 4. And last is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the. Now we write the power of set of this. We write here the power of set of this P A 4 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so. Now this is the power of set of A union B. Now we look here. These all elements are belong to this. Look here. 5. This is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and extra. It means these all elements belong to this set. Then P A union P B belong, and it means the subset of P A union B. Hence, say that A union B is equal to A union C, and A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Then we show that to show it belong to A. Now A union B and X is also belong to B. So now A union B of this set is equal to X element is the common. It means X. Now we take these A union C. So now X belong to, let us suppose X belong to C. So now A union C. A is the set, X is the element of A, X is the element of C. So now union of this set is also X. And X is the element of A union C, A union B. So now this result show that these are equal. It is given that A union B is equal to A union C. So now both have common element is X. Now it is also said that A intersection B. Here the A intersection B means common element of A and B. Now here we look, X is belong to A, X belong to B. It means X is the common element in A and B. So now intersection of this set is X. Now A intersection C. Here X is belong to A, X is belong to C. Now intersection of this set is also X. Now it is also given that A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Both intersection have equal to X. So then X is also common element of this. Now here look, this is the given set of first equation, this is second, and this is third. Now here this A union B, A union C, A intersection B, A intersection C, these X have both common element. It means X belong to A, X belong to B, and X belong to C. Here X belong to B and C. Then X is equal to both element, then B is equal to C, because X is a common element both. So then element of B also equal to element of a C. So then set of B equal to set of a C. Hence